Today, we're going to be covering an exciting topic for many business owners, and that is hiring employees. Hey, I'm Morgan from FindPoints.biz, and my goal is to help business owners and bookkeepers get organized, and I actually have a whole YouTube channel all about that. It will be linked in the description box below if you're interested. Today, I'm partnering with QuickBooks to do an awesome video series on all things running your small business. All right, this might sound familiar. You've been building your business from the ground up. But at some point you realize there's only so much scaling you can do as one person. So you realize it's time to hire someone. But hiring an employee is more than just finding the right person. So today I'm going to walk you through all the steps you need. All right, and before we continue, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit the red subscribe button to get more videos just like this. And if you're more of a reader, there's also an article linked in the description box below you can check out. The first step in the hiring process is to make sure that you have all the legal requirements in place. So not always the most interesting thing, but it's important that you have the right documents and you jump through the right hoops to hire your first employee. Here are 7 legal requirements that you need to do before you hire your employee. Number 1, you need to get an employer identification number, or an EIN. And you may already have this if you've used it to apply for a bank account or get a business license or do your taxes. But if not, go to irs.gov to apply for that, and it's actually really quick and easy. Number 2, register with your state revenue department. So you need to get a state tax ID, and you could do this either by visiting your state's revenue or tax department, and you could also consult with a tax professional if you prefer. Number 3, register with your state labor department. So in order to hire employees, you need to make sure you're registered as an employer with the state. Number 4, calculate withholding tax. So as an employer, you need to take out both federal and state taxes from your employee's paycheck as the year progresses. Calculating how much to pay, who to pay, and when to pay can be really daunting, but don't feel like you necessarily have to keep it all in your brain. What I love is an automated payroll software. So this is what I use as a bookkeeper and what I recommend to all of my clients. Number 5, purchase workers' compensation insurance. And not every single business in every single industry is going to have this as a requirement, but we do have a really helpful guide, and it's linked in this description box below. You can check out to see if your business needs it. Number 6, issue an I-9 form to each new hire. So this is a form that verifies they are able to legally work in the United States, so make sure you have this verification before they start. Number 7, a workplace poster. So I'm sure you've seen the large posters in different workplaces, but you need both a federal and state workplace poster as soon as you have one employee. This needs to be visible for both applicants and employees to see. You can stay up to date with those labor posters with QuickBooks subscription service. So they'll send you a new one anytime you need it. Now that all the legal boxes are checked, it's going to be time to start writing those job descriptions. So I want you to think about, what are the pain points within your business? What problems do you need solved? And then that's going to start translating into your job descriptions. So think about what skills or what activities will help solve those problems. Then you want to start to translate some of those answers into job descriptions. So make sure you are as specific as possible and really define those roles that you're looking for. Next, you're going to want to conduct some market research on salaries in your area. So kind of see what the going rate is for businesses in your area and for your industry. And you want to make sure you set realistic expectations for salary. Potential employees are everywhere, on social media, trade shows, on career sites. So I'm going to go through 3 different options for you. Number 1, job boards and career sites. Candidates are actively seeking employment on these types of sites, so it is a great place to find someone. Number 2, your professional network. So this might be one of the best places to find potential candidates. It's people you already know and you already respect and you already like. And this is how I actually found my marketing manager for my business. She was part of a networking group I was in, and then we did a Zoom call, and then almost a year later, I was looking to hire, and she has proved to be an invaluable resource to my business. Number 3 is LinkedIn. You've probably already heard about LinkedIn. It has over 750 million members. Users are actively seeking networking opportunities and career opportunities in industries that they're passionate about and interested in. You want to be as strategic with your interview process as you were with selecting your candidates and writing those job descriptions. So come up with some great questions to ask during interviews. I'm going to give you a few examples now. Number 1, what are 3 skills you have that uniquely qualify you for this position? Number 2, how can you help grow this business? Number 3, what's something you can improve or change within the business? When it comes to selecting the right candidate, education and qualifications are important, but so are character and core values. You'll also want to ask some specific questions based on the role that you're filling. And then ask the candidate what their salary expectations are. And decide what is reasonable for you to pay based on their experience, education, and skill level. It's also a good idea to ask for employment references before you decide to make an offer. When you're ready to extend a job offer, be excited and congratulatory. This is great news, you're about to add someone else to your team. And ask them what their preferred start date is. In the job offer letter, you'll also want to outline the employee's compensation package. And if that does differ a bit from what they were expecting, make sure to outline all of your company's perks and benefits. Whether you are hiring your first employee or improving your hiring process, these are some of the most important decisions that you can make within your business. So make sure that you come up with a great plan and be really strategic. Whatever stage you're at, QuickBooks can help you pay your team, access HR, benefits, and stay compliant. There's a few videos linked in the description box below if you want to know more. QuickBooks is genuinely the only accounting software that I use personally as a bookkeeper, and it's the only one I recommend to clients and bookkeepers I'm mentoring. I've used it for over 8 years now, and I'm always amazed by all the new additions they're making that help improve it. Alright, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and then subscribe to the QuickBooks channel for more videos like this.